The story of the invention of specialized aircraft for the transport industry. The invention of specialized aircraft for the transportation industry has revolutionized the way goods and people are moved around the world. In this article, we will explore the history of specialized transport aircraft and how they have changed the face of the transportation industry. The first specialized transport aircraft was the Douglas DC-3, which was introduced in 1936. The DC-3 was designed specifically for commercial air travel and had a capacity of up to 21 passengers. It quickly became popular for both passenger and cargo transport and was used extensively during World War II. In the 1950s, the first dedicated cargo aircraft were introduced. The Fairchild C-119 flying boxcar and the Douglas C-124 Globemaster II were both designed to carry heavy cargo and equipment for the military. These aircraft were later adapted for commercial use, and the cargo industry began to grow. In the 1960s, the Boeing 747 was introduced, which revolutionized the air transport industry. The 747 had a capacity of over 400 passengers and could travel long distances without refueling, making it ideal for international travel. The 747 was also adapted for cargo transport, and it became the backbone of the air cargo industry. In the 1980s, the Airbus A300 and A310 were introduced, which were designed specifically for cargo transport. These aircraft had a large cargo capacity and were more fuel efficient than previous cargo aircraft. The A300 and A310 were also adapted for passenger transport and became popular with airlines around the world. In the 1990s, the Boeing 777 was introduced, which was designed to replace the 747 as the premier long-haul passenger aircraft. The 777 had a capacity of up to 550 passengers and was more fuel efficient than previous passenger aircraft. Today, there are many specialized transport aircraft in use, including the Boeing 747-8, the Airbus A380, and the Boeing 777X. These aircraft are designed to transport large numbers of passengers or heavy cargo over long distances, with maximum efficiency and safety. Despite the many advancements in specialized transport aircraft, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is the environmental impact of air travel. Air transport is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. To address this, there is a need for more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly aircraft, as well as alternative forms of transportation such as high-speed rail. Another challenge in the transport industry is the safety of air travel. While air travel is generally considered safe, accidents can still occur. To address this, there is a need for continued advancements in safety technology and training for pilots and crew. Finally, cost is also a significant challenge in the transport industry. While specialized transport aircraft have made air travel more accessible, the cost of air travel is still relatively high, especially for international travel. This can limit its use in certain settings, such as in developing countries or in low-income areas. Despite these challenges, specialized transport aircraft remain a vital component of modern transportation. Their ability to transport large numbers of passengers and heavy cargo over long distances quickly and efficiently has revolutionized the way goods and people are moved around the world. With further advancements in technology and a focus on sustainability, the possibilities for the use of specialized transport aircraft are endless. One area where specialized transport aircraft are being explored is in the development of electric and hybrid electric aircraft. Electric aircraft have the potential to be more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly than traditional aircraft, and could revolutionize the air transport industry. Electric aircraft are currently being developed for short-haul flights, and it is hoped that they will eventually be able to replace traditional aircraft on longer routes. Another area where specialized transport aircraft are being explored is in the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for cargo transport. UAVs have the potential to transport cargo quickly and efficiently, without the need for a human pilot. They could be used to transport goods to remote areas or in emergency situations, such as in the aftermath of a natural disaster. Specialized transport aircraft are also being used in the field of space exploration. Transport aircraft such as the Boeing 747 and the Antonov An-225 have been used to transport space shuttles and other equipment to launch sites. They are also used to transport components of the International Space Station. Finally, specialized transport aircraft are being used to support humanitarian aid efforts. Aircraft such as the C-130 Hercules and the C-17 Globemaster III are used to transport aid supplies to areas affected by natural disasters or conflict. These aircraft can transport large quantities of food, water, and medical supplies quickly and efficiently, helping to save lives in emergency situations. In conclusion, specialized transport aircraft have had a profound impact on the way goods and people are moved around the world. With continued advancements in technology, the possibilities for the use of specialized transport aircraft are endless. From electric aircraft to UAVs to space transport, specialized transport aircraft are finding new and innovative uses that are transforming the world of transportation and beyond. One area where specialized transport aircraft are being explored is in the development of supersonic transport. Supersonic transport aircraft such as the Concorde were introduced in the 1970s but were retired in 2003 due to high operating costs and safety concerns. However, there is renewed interest in supersonic transport, and companies such as Boom Supersonic and Ariane Supersonic are developing new supersonic aircraft that could revolutionize air travel. Another area where specialized transport aircraft are being explored is in the use of hydrogen fuel cells for propulsion. Hydrogen fuel cells have the potential to be a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional jet fuel, as they produce only water as a byproduct. Companies such as ZeroAvia are developing hydrogen electric aircraft for commercial use, with the aim of eventually replacing traditional aircraft. Specialized transport aircraft are also being used in the field of military transport. Military transport aircraft such as the C-130 Hercules and the C-17 Globemaster III are used to transport troops, weapons, and equipment to areas of conflict. These aircraft are designed to operate in challenging environments and can transport large quantities of cargo quickly and efficiently. Finally, specialized transport aircraft are being used in the field of scientific research. Research aircraft such as the NASA DC-8 and the German Halo research aircraft are equipped with specialized instrumentation for atmospheric and earth science research. These aircraft are used to study topics such as climate change, air pollution, and natural disasters. In conclusion, specialized transport aircraft continue to have a significant impact on the way goods, people, and equipment are moved around the world. Operation Mechanism Voice Recognition Technology. Voice recognition technology is becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to voice-activated cars and smart homes. In this article, we will explore the mechanisms behind voice recognition technology and how it works. Voice recognition technology, also known as speech recognition technology, uses algorithms and machine learning to recognize and interpret human speech. The technology can be used to convert spoken words into text or to interpret spoken commands and control devices or applications. The process of voice recognition begins with the recording of speech. The recording is then analyzed by the voice recognition software, which breaks down the speech into individual sounds, called phonemes. These phonemes are then compared to a database of known phonemes to determine what words were spoken. The accuracy of voice recognition technology depends on the quality of the recording and the complexity of the language being spoken. Accents, dialects, and background noise can all affect the accuracy of the technology. To improve accuracy, many voice recognition systems use machine learning algorithms that can adapt to the specific voice and language patterns of individual users. Voice recognition technology can be used for a wide range of applications, from speech to text dictation to voice-activated search and navigation. The technology is also being used in the development of virtual assistants and chatbots, which can interact with users through natural language processing and speech recognition. One of the key benefits of voice recognition technology is its ability to improve accessibility for people with disabilities. Voice recognition technology allows people who are blind or have mobility impairments to interact with computers and mobile devices through speech, making it easier for them to navigate the digital world. However, voice recognition technology also raises concerns about privacy and security. Voice recordings can contain sensitive personal information, and there is a risk that this information could be intercepted or used without the user's consent. To address these concerns, many voice recognition systems use encryption and other security measures to protect user data. In conclusion, voice recognition technology is a rapidly advancing field that has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology and each other. The technology works by analyzing speech patterns and using algorithms and machine learning to interpret spoken words and commands. While there are concerns about privacy and security, voice recognition technology has the potential to improve accessibility and enhance the user experience for a wide range of applications. Voice recognition technology has come a long way since its inception, and its mechanisms have become increasingly sophisticated. In this article, we will delve deeper into the workings of voice recognition technology and its various applications. Voice recognition technology works by analyzing the acoustic properties of speech, which include the frequency, amplitude, and duration of sound waves produced by the vocal cords. These properties are then processed and compared to a database of known speech patterns to determine what words were spoken. The process of voice recognition involves several steps. First, the sound waves are captured by a microphone or other recording device. The sound waves are then digitized and processed by algorithms that filter out background noise and other unwanted sounds. Next, the speech is segmented into individual words or phrases using various techniques, such as pattern recognition and machine learning algorithms. The segmented speech is then compared to a database of known speech patterns, which can be pre-recorded speech samples or a set of rules that define the language being spoken. The accuracy of voice recognition technology depends on several factors, including the quality of the recording, the complexity of the language being spoken, and the user's accent or dialect. To improve accuracy, voice recognition systems use machine learning algorithms that can adapt to the specific voice and language patterns of individual users. Voice recognition technology has a wide range of applications, from speech to text dictation to voice-activated devices and virtual assistants. In the healthcare industry, voice recognition technology is being used to develop voice-enabled medical devices and to improve patient communication and engagement. Voice recognition technology is also being used in the automotive industry, where it is used to control in-car entertainment systems and to provide voice-activated navigation and other features. In the retail industry, voice recognition technology is being used to improve the customer experience by providing voice-activated ordering and other features. One of the key benefits of voice recognition technology is its ability to improve accessibility for people with disabilities. Voice recognition technology allows people with visual impairments or mobility impairments to interact with computers and mobile devices through speech, making it easier for them to navigate the digital world. In conclusion, voice recognition technology is a rapidly evolving field with a wide range of applications. Its mechanisms involve analyzing the acoustic properties of speech and comparing them to a database of known speech patterns. While there are challenges to its accuracy, voice recognition technology has the potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology and improve accessibility for people with disabilities. The mechanisms of voice recognition technology have become increasingly advanced, and the technology is now being used in a wide range of applications. In this article, we will explore some of the latest developments in voice recognition technology and how they work. One of the most significant developments in voice recognition technology is the use of neural networks. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that are modeled after the structure of the human brain. They can be used to improve the accuracy of voice recognition by analyzing speech patterns and adjusting the recognition model in real time. Another important development in voice recognition technology is the use of natural language processing, NLP. NLP involves analyzing and understanding the context and meaning of spoken words, rather than just recognizing individual words. This technology enables voice recognition systems to understand the intent behind spoken commands and respond appropriately. The use of deep learning is another important development in voice recognition technology. Deep learning involves training algorithms on large datasets to improve their accuracy and performance. This technology can be used to improve the accuracy of voice recognition systems by analyzing a wide range of speech patterns and adjusting the recognition model accordingly. The development of edge computing is also an important trend in voice recognition technology. Edge computing involves processing data and performing computations locally, rather than sending data to a central server. This technology enables voice recognition systems to work faster and more efficiently, without requiring a constant internet connection. Finally, the use of voice biometrics is an emerging development in voice recognition technology. Voice biometrics involves using the unique characteristics of an individual's voice, such as pitch and tone, to identify them. This technology can be used for authentication and security purposes, such as accessing bank accounts or other sensitive information. How automatic irrigation technology works. Automated irrigation technology has revolutionized the way in which farmers and gardeners water their crops and plants. In this article, we will explore how automated irrigation systems work and the benefits that they provide. Automated irrigation systems consist of several components, including a control unit, sensors, valves, and sprinklers or drip emitters. The control unit is the brain of the system, and it is responsible for controlling the flow of water to the plants. It is usually a digital device that is programmed with specific watering schedules and settings. Sensors are used to measure the moisture level of the soil and the weather conditions. They transmit this information to the control unit, which adjusts the watering schedule accordingly. Valves are used to control the flow of water to the plants, and they are opened and closed by the control unit. Sprinklers or drip emitters are used to distribute the water to the plants. Automated irrigation systems offer several benefits over traditional manual watering methods. Firstly, they are more efficient, as they only water the plants when they need it. This reduces water waste and can save farmers and gardeners money on their water bills. Secondly, automated irrigation systems are more accurate, as they can deliver precise amounts of water to each plant. This can improve crop yields and plant health, as overwatering or underwatering can lead to plant stress and disease. Another benefit of automated irrigation systems is that they are more convenient for farmers and gardeners. Once the system is set up and programmed, it can operate on its own, freeing up time for other tasks. This is especially useful for farmers who have large fields to water, as it can save them hours of manual labor. In addition, automated irrigation systems can be customized to suit different types of crops and plants. Different types of sensors and valves can be used to deliver the right amount of water to each plant, depending on its specific needs. This can help to optimize plant growth and improve crop yields. In conclusion, automated irrigation technology has revolutionized the way in which farmers and gardeners water their crops and plants. With their efficiency, accuracy, and convenience, automated irrigation systems offer numerous benefits over traditional manual watering methods. As technology continues to advance, the possibilities for the use of automated irrigation systems are limitless, and they will continue to play a vital role in the future of agriculture and gardening. Automated irrigation systems also offer environmental benefits. By reducing water waste and optimizing water usage, they can help to conserve water resources. This is particularly important in regions with limited water supplies or in areas that are prone to drought. In addition, automated irrigation systems can help to reduce soil erosion and runoff, as they deliver water directly to the plants rather than flooding the entire field or garden. Furthermore, automated irrigation systems can be integrated with other technologies to create a more efficient and sustainable farming system. For example, they can be combined with precision agriculture technology to create a more data-driven approach to farming. This allows farmers to monitor crop growth, soil moisture, and other factors in real time, and make adjustments to their irrigation systems accordingly. Another benefit of automated irrigation systems is that they can be remotely controlled and monitored. This is particularly useful for farmers who have multiple fields or gardens to water, as they can control the irrigation systems from a central location using a smartphone or computer. This can save time and reduce the need for travel, which can help to reduce carbon emissions. Finally, automated irrigation systems can help to improve the overall health of the soil and the plants. By delivering water directly to the roots of the plants, they can help to promote healthy root growth and nutrient uptake. This can lead to stronger, healthier plants that are more resistant to pests and disease. In conclusion, automated irrigation technology offers a range of benefits for farmers and gardeners, as well as for the environment. With their efficiency, accuracy, and convenience, automated irrigation systems are becoming increasingly popular in agriculture and gardening. As technology continues to advance, it is likely that we will see further innovations in the field of automated irrigation, leading to even more efficient and sustainable farming practices. One of the challenges of using automated irrigation systems is ensuring that they are properly installed and maintained. It is important to select the right components and ensure that they are installed correctly to ensure optimal performance. In addition, regular maintenance is necessary to ensure that the system continues to operate efficiently and effectively. Another challenge is ensuring that the system is properly programmed. The watering schedule and settings must be tailored to the specific needs of the plants being watered, and adjustments may need to be made as the plants grow and the weather changes. It is important to monitor the system regularly to ensure that it is delivering the right amount of water to the plants. Another consideration is the cost of implementing an automated irrigation system. While automated irrigation systems can save money in the long run by reducing water waste and improving crop yields, the initial investment can be significant. However, there are government grants and subsidies available to help offset the cost, and the long-term benefits may outweigh the initial expense. Finally, it is important to consider the potential drawbacks of automated irrigation systems. For example, they may not be suitable for all types of crops, and traditional manual watering methods may be more effective in some situations. In addition, automated irrigation systems may not be suitable for small-scale gardening or hobby farming, as the cost may outweigh the benefits. In conclusion, while automated irrigation systems offer numerous benefits, there are also challenges to consider. Proper installation, programming, and maintenance are crucial to ensuring optimal performance, and the initial cost may be a barrier for some farmers and gardeners. However, as technology continues to advance and the need for sustainable farming practices grows, automated irrigation systems will likely become an increasingly important tool for improving crop yields, conserving water resources, and promoting healthier plants. Another challenge associated with automated irrigation systems is ensuring that they are used in a way that is compatible with other agricultural practices. For example, if the system is delivering water to the plants during periods of heavy rainfall, it can result in waterlogging and nutrient leaching. It is important to ensure that the system is programmed to take into account the weather conditions and other agricultural practices, such as fertilization and pest control. In addition, automated irrigation systems can be affected by soil type and topography. The story of the invention of specialized aircraft for the agricultural industry. In recent years, the use of specialized aircraft for agricultural purposes has become increasingly popular. These aircraft, often referred to as crop dusters, are designed to distribute pesticides, fertilizers, and other agricultural chemicals over large areas of farmland. In this article, we will explore the history of crop dusters and their role in modern agriculture. The history of crop dusters can be traced back to the early 1900s, when farmers began to experiment with using airplanes to distribute seed and fertilizer over their fields. In the 1920s and 30s, airplanes began to be used to spray pesticides and other chemicals over crops, but the technology was still in its infancy and the planes were often unreliable. It wasn't until after World War II that crop dusters began to be used on a large scale. The development of more powerful engines and the introduction of new technologies, such as GPS and computerized guidance systems, made it possible to accurately and efficiently apply agricultural chemicals over large areas of farmland. Today, crop dusters come in a variety of shapes and sizes, from small single-engine planes to large multi-engine aircraft. They are equipped with specialized tanks and spraying systems that can distribute chemicals over crops with precision and accuracy. In addition to distributing chemicals over crops, crop dusters are also used for a variety of other agricultural purposes. They can be used to survey farmland and assess crop health, to apply seed and fertilizer, and to transport crops and other agricultural products. The use of crop dusters has been instrumental in improving the efficiency and productivity of modern agriculture. By enabling farmers to quickly and accurately apply agricultural chemicals over large areas of farmland, crop dusters have made it possible to produce more food with fewer resources. However, the use of crop dusters has also raised concerns about environmental and health risks. The chemicals used in crop dusting can have negative effects on the environment and on human health if they are not used properly. In conclusion, crop dusters have a long and fascinating history, and they continue to play an important role in modern agriculture. While there are concerns about their potential environmental and health risks, the benefits of crop dusters in terms of increased efficiency and productivity cannot be denied. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more advanced and specialized crop dusters in the future. Crop dusters have revolutionized modern agriculture by providing an efficient and accurate method for distributing chemicals over farmland. However, the history of crop dusters has been marked by significant challenges and setbacks. In this article, we will explore some of the challenges that have been faced in the development of crop dusters and the ways in which these challenges have been overcome. One of the biggest challenges facing the development of crop dusters has been the issue of pilot safety. Crop dusters are often required to fly at low altitudes and in close proximity to the ground, which can be dangerous for pilots. To address this issue, many crop dusters are now equipped with advanced safety features, such as collision avoidance systems, to reduce the risk of accidents. Another challenge facing the development of crop dusters has been the issue of environmental impact. The chemicals used in crop dusting can have negative effects on the environment, including soil and water contamination. To address this issue, Many crop dusters are now equipped with advanced spraying systems that can distribute chemicals with greater precision and accuracy, reducing the amount of chemicals that are needed and minimizing the risk of environmental damage. In addition to these challenges, crop dusters have also faced significant technological hurdles. Early crop dusters were often unreliable and prone to mechanical failure, but advances in engine technology, guidance systems, and computerized spraying systems have made crop dusters more efficient and reliable. Despite these challenges, crop dusters have played an essential role in modern agriculture. They have made it possible to quickly and accurately apply agricultural chemicals over large areas of farmland, increasing the efficiency and productivity of modern agriculture. However, the use of crop dusters also raises important ethical and environmental questions. The chemicals used in crop dusting can have negative effects on the environment and on human health if they are not used properly. As such, it is important for farmers and crop duster operators to follow best practices and guidelines to ensure the safe and responsible use of these technologies. In conclusion, crop dusters have faced significant challenges throughout their development, including issues of pilot safety, environmental impact, and technological reliability. However, advances in technology and safety features have made crop dusters more efficient and reliable, enabling them to play an essential role in modern agriculture. As we continue to develop and refine these technologies, it is important to remain mindful of the ethical and environmental implications of their use. Crop dusters have undergone significant developments over the years, and their role in modern agriculture continues to evolve. In this article, we will explore some of the latest trends and advancements in crop duster technology. One of the most significant trends in crop duster technology is the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, also known as drones. UAVs have become increasingly popular in recent years, as they offer a number of advantages over traditional crop dusters. For example, UAVs can be operated remotely, reducing the risk of pilot injury and allowing for more precise and efficient application of agricultural chemicals. Another important trend in crop duster technology is the use of precision agriculture techniques. Precision agriculture involves using advanced technologies, such as GPS and computerized mapping systems, to analyze crop health and soil conditions. This information can then be used to optimize the distribution of agricultural chemicals and other inputs, reducing waste and improving crop yields. The development of advanced spraying systems is also an important trend in crop duster technology. Advanced spraying systems can distribute chemicals with greater precision and accuracy, reducing the amount of chemicals that are needed and minimizing the risk of environmental damage. For example, some crop dusters now use electrostatic spraying systems that charge the droplets of agricultural chemicals, causing them to adhere more effectively to crops. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, is another emerging trend in crop duster technology. AI can be used to analyze large amounts of data, such as weather patterns and crop health information, to optimize the distribution of agricultural chemicals and other inputs. This technology can also be used to identify potential problems before they become serious, allowing farmers to take corrective action more quickly and efficiently. Finally, the use of renewable energy sources is an increasingly important trend in crop duster technology. Renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, can be used to power the engines and other systems on crop dusters, reducing the environmental impact of these technologies. In conclusion, crop duster technology continues to evolve, with trends in WAVs, precision agriculture, advanced spraying systems, and renewable energy sources. These trends are improving the efficiency and effectiveness of crop dusters and enabling them to be used in a wider range of applications. As this technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative uses for crop dusters in the future. Crop dusters have come a long way since their early beginnings, and the latest advancements in technology are revolutionizing the way they are used in modern agriculture. The process of inventing specialized airplanes for the fishing industry. The use of specialized aircraft for fishing has become increasingly popular over the years, and it has revolutionized the fishing industry. In this article, we will explore the history of the invention of specialized fishing aircraft and their impact on the fishing industry. The use of aircraft for fishing can be traced back to the early 20th century, when seaplanes were used to spot schools of fish in the open ocean. However, it wasn't until the 1950s that the first specialized fishing aircraft were developed. These aircraft were designed specifically for the purpose of spotting fish from the air and directing fishing boats to their location. The first specialized fishing aircraft were typically modified versions of existing aircraft, such as the Grumman Widgeon and the de Havilland Beaver. These aircraft were equipped with special observation windows and navigational equipment, and they were used to search for schools of fish in the open ocean. As the technology evolved, more specialized fishing aircraft were developed, including the Cessna 206 and the Piper Navajo. These aircraft were equipped with more advanced technology, including radar and sonar equipment, which allowed them to detect fish below the surface of the water. Today, specialized fishing aircraft are used around the world, and they have become an essential tool for many commercial fishing operations. These aircraft are equipped with a range of technology, including high-resolution cameras and infrared sensors, which allow them to detect fish from a distance and in all weather conditions. One of the main benefits of using specialized fishing aircraft is that they allow fishing boats to locate schools of fish quickly and efficiently. This can save time and fuel, as fishing boats no longer need to search for fish using trial and error methods. In addition, specialized fishing aircraft can help to reduce the environmental impact of fishing, as they can help to prevent overfishing and reduce bycatch. Another benefit of using specialized fishing aircraft is that they can help to improve the safety of fishing operations. By providing real-time information about weather conditions and sea state, these aircraft can help fishing boats to avoid dangerous conditions and navigate safely through the open ocean. In conclusion, the invention of specialized fishing aircraft has revolutionized the fishing industry, allowing fishing boats to locate schools of fish quickly and efficiently. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced specialized fishing aircraft in the future, which will continue to improve the efficiency and sustainability of commercial fishing operations. However, the use of specialized fishing aircraft has not been without controversy. Some critics argue that the use of aircraft for fishing can disrupt marine ecosystems and lead to overfishing. They also point out that the use of specialized fishing aircraft can be expensive, which can put smaller fishing operations at a disadvantage. In addition, there are concerns about the safety of using aircraft for fishing. Flying low over the open ocean can be dangerous, especially in adverse weather conditions. In addition, there have been reports of accidents involving specialized fishing aircraft, which have raised concerns about the safety of this technology. To address these concerns, many countries have implemented regulations governing the use of specialized fishing aircraft. These regulations typically require aircraft operators to obtain a special license and undergo regular safety inspections. In addition, many countries have implemented strict rules regarding the types of fishing gear that can be used in conjunction with specialized fishing aircraft, in order to prevent overfishing and other negative environmental impacts. Despite these concerns, the development of specialized fishing aircraft has had a significant impact on the fishing industry, increasing efficiency and sustainability. The use of specialized fishing aircraft has also led to the development of new technologies and techniques for fishing, such as the use of drones and underwater cameras. In conclusion, the invention of specialized fishing aircraft has had a significant impact on the fishing industry, allowing fishing boats to locate schools of fish quickly and efficiently, and promoting sustainability through the use of advanced technology. While there are concerns about the environmental impact and safety of using specialized fishing aircraft, regulations and safety measures can help to mitigate these risks. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced specialized fishing aircraft, which will continue to improve the efficiency and sustainability of commercial fishing operations. Another benefit of specialized fishing aircraft is their ability to provide valuable data for scientific research. By flying over the ocean and collecting data on fish populations and their distribution, researchers can gain a better understanding of the health of marine ecosystems and make informed decisions about fishing quotas and regulations. In addition, the use of specialized fishing aircraft can help to reduce the carbon footprint of fishing operations. By providing real-time information about the location of fish, fishing boats can navigate more efficiently and avoid unnecessary fuel consumption. This can help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and promote sustainable fishing practices. Furthermore, specialized fishing aircraft can also be used for search and rescue operations in the open ocean. In the event of an emergency, these aircraft can quickly locate distressed vessels and drop supplies or rescue equipment. This can be especially valuable in remote areas where access to emergency services is limited. Despite the benefits of specialized fishing aircraft, there are still challenges that need to be addressed. For example, the cost of purchasing and maintaining these aircraft can be prohibitive for small-scale fishing operations. In addition, there are concerns about the impact of noise pollution on marine life, as specialized fishing aircraft can be loud and disruptive. To address these challenges, efforts are being made to develop more affordable and environmentally friendly specialized fishing aircraft. For example, researchers are exploring the use of electric and hybrid aircraft, which can reduce the carbon footprint of fishing operations. In addition, efforts are being made to develop quieter aircraft that are less disruptive to marine life. In conclusion, specialized fishing aircraft have had a significant impact on the fishing industry, improving efficiency, sustainability, and safety. While there are still challenges to be addressed, the development of new technologies and techniques is helping to promote more sustainable and environmentally friendly fishing practices. As the fishing industry continues to evolve, specialized fishing aircraft will undoubtedly play an important role in supporting sustainable and responsible fishing practices. Another challenge associated with specialized fishing aircraft is the potential for conflicts with other aircraft in the same airspace. In some areas, there may be multiple aircraft operating at the same time, including other fishing aircraft, commercial airlines, and military aircraft. This can create a crowded and potentially dangerous airspace, which requires careful coordination and communication to ensure safety. To address this challenge, many countries have implemented regulations and procedures for sharing airspace between different types of aircraft. These regulations typically require specialized fishing aircraft to obtain clearance from air traffic control before entering designated airspace. Inside self-driving cars. Self-driving cars have become increasingly popular in recent years, with many major automakers investing heavily in their development. In this article, we will explore the technology behind self-driving cars and how they work. At the heart of self-driving cars is a complex system of sensors, cameras, and other technologies that work together to enable the car to navigate roads and make decisions on its own. These systems include radar and LiDAR sensors that can detect objects in the car's surroundings, as well as cameras that can capture images of the road and other vehicles. In addition to these sensors, self-driving cars are also equipped with advanced computing systems that can process vast amounts of data in real time. These systems use complex algorithms and machine learning techniques to analyze the data from the sensors and cameras and make decisions about how to navigate the road. One of the key challenges in developing self-driving cars is ensuring that they are safe and reliable. To address this challenge, self-driving cars are equipped with redundant systems that can take over in the event of a failure in the primary systems. For example, if the car's primary computer system fails, a backup system can take over to ensure that the car continues to operate safely. Another important aspect of self-driving cars is their user interface. Self-driving cars must be easy to operate and understand, even for users who are not familiar with the technology. To address this, self-driving cars often include intuitive touchscreens and other user-friendly interfaces that make it easy for drivers to interact with the car. Finally, self-driving cars are also designed to be highly connected. They can communicate with other vehicles on the road, as well as with infrastructure such as traffic signals and road signs, to optimize their performance and improve safety. This connectivity also enables self-driving cars to receive real-time updates on road conditions and other factors that may affect their performance. In conclusion, self-driving cars represent a major technological advancement in the automotive industry. They are equipped with a complex system of sensors, cameras, and computing systems that enable them to navigate roads and make decisions on their own. While there are still challenges to be overcome, such as ensuring safety and reliability, the technology behind self-driving cars is rapidly evolving and is likely to have a significant impact on transportation in the future. Self-driving cars are rapidly advancing in the automotive industry, and their potential benefits are numerous. In this article, we will explore some of the potential advantages of self-driving cars and how they could transform the way we live and work. Perhaps the most significant advantage of self-driving cars is the potential for improved safety. Self-driving cars are equipped with advanced sensors and computing systems that enable them to detect and avoid obstacles on the road, including other vehicles, pedestrians, and animals. This technology could significantly reduce the number of accidents on the road and save countless lives. Another advantage of self-driving cars is the potential for increased mobility. Self-driving cars could enable people who are unable to drive, such as the elderly or disabled, to travel more easily and independently. They could also reduce traffic congestion and make it easier for people to commute to work or travel long distances. Self-driving cars could also have significant environmental benefits. By optimizing driving patterns and reducing the need for human intervention, self-driving cars could reduce fuel consumption and emissions. This technology could help to mitigate the effects of climate change and improve air quality in urban areas. In addition to these benefits, self-driving cars could also have a significant impact on the economy. They could create new jobs in industries such as manufacturing and software development, and they could also reduce the costs associated with transportation, such as fuel and maintenance. This could lead to increased economic growth and improved quality of life for people around the world. However, there are also potential challenges and risks associated with self-driving cars. These include issues of safety, cybersecurity, and privacy. It is important for regulators and industry leaders to work together to address these challenges and ensure that self-driving cars are developed and deployed in a responsible and ethical manner. In conclusion, self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work. They could improve safety, increase mobility, and have significant economic and environmental benefits. While there are challenges to be addressed, the technology behind self-driving cars is rapidly advancing and is likely to have a significant impact on the automotive industry and society as a whole. Self-driving cars are poised to revolutionize the way we travel, and the technology behind them is rapidly advancing. In this article, we will explore some of the challenges and opportunities that self-driving cars present, and how they could impact our lives in the future. One of the biggest challenges facing self-driving cars is the issue of safety. While the technology behind self-driving cars is designed to minimize the risk of accidents, there is still a risk of malfunction or human error. Ensuring the safety of self-driving cars is critical to their widespread adoption, and regulators and industry leaders must work together to establish safety standards and guidelines. Another challenge facing self-driving cars is the issue of cybersecurity. Self-driving cars are highly connected and rely on complex computer systems to operate. This makes them vulnerable to cyber attacks, which could compromise the safety and security of the car and its passengers. It is essential for the industry to invest in robust cybersecurity measures to protect against these threats. Despite these challenges, self-driving cars present a number of opportunities for improving mobility and reducing the environmental impact of transportation. For example, self-driving cars could be used to create more efficient transportation networks, reducing traffic congestion and improving the flow of goods and people. They could also be used to reduce the need for personal car ownership, with shared self-driving cars becoming a viable alternative to traditional car ownership. Self-driving cars could also have significant environmental benefits. By optimizing driving patterns and reducing the need for human intervention, self-driving cars could reduce fuel consumption and emissions. This technology could help to mitigate the effects of climate change and improve air quality in urban areas. In addition to these benefits, self-driving cars could also have a significant impact on the economy. They could create new jobs in industries such as manufacturing and software development, and they could also reduce the costs associated with transportation, such as fuel and maintenance. This could lead to increased economic growth and improved quality of life for people around the world. Self-driving cars have been a topic of discussion and development for years, and the technology behind them is constantly advancing. In this article, we will explore some of the latest trends and advancements in self-driving cars and how they could change the way we travel. One of the most significant trends in self-driving cars is the development of Level 4 and Level 5 autonomy. Discover the manufacturing process of specialized aircraft for the construction industry. The use of specialized aircraft for the construction industry has become increasingly popular over the years, and it has revolutionized the way buildings and infrastructure are constructed. In this article, we will explore the history of the invention of specialized construction aircraft and their impact on the construction industry. The use of aircraft in the construction industry can be traced back to the early 20th century, when airplanes were first used for surveying and mapping. However, it wasn't until the 1950s that the first specialized construction aircraft were developed. These aircraft were designed specifically for the purpose of transporting construction materials, personnel, and equipment to remote or inaccessible construction sites. The first specialized construction aircraft were typically modified versions of existing aircraft, such as the Douglas DC-3 and the Cessna 180. These aircraft were equipped with special cargo doors and reinforced floors, which allowed them to transport heavy equipment and materials. As the technology evolved, more specialized construction aircraft were developed, including the Sikorsky S-64 Skycrane and the Boeing Vertol 234 Chinook. These aircraft were equipped with more advanced technology, such as powerful engines and lifting equipment, which allowed them to transport even larger and heavier loads. Today, specialized construction aircraft are used around the world, and they have become an essential tool for many construction projects. These aircraft are equipped with a range of technology, including GPS and advanced avionics, which allow them to navigate safely and efficiently through complex airspace. One of the main benefits of using specialized construction aircraft is that they allow construction companies to access remote or inaccessible construction sites. This can save time and money, as construction companies no longer need to build access roads or transport materials and equipment over long distances. In addition, specialized construction aircraft can help to improve the safety of construction operations. By providing real-time information about weather conditions and other hazards, these aircraft can help construction companies to avoid dangerous conditions and work more safely and efficiently. Another benefit of using specialized construction aircraft is that they can help to reduce the environmental impact of construction projects. By transporting materials and equipment directly to the construction site, construction companies can reduce the need for large trucks and other vehicles, which can contribute to air pollution and other environmental problems. Despite these benefits, the development of specialized construction aircraft has not been without challenges. One of the main challenges is the cost of purchasing and maintaining these aircraft, which can be prohibitively expensive for small or medium-sized construction companies. To address this challenge, some companies have turned to leasing or renting specialized construction aircraft, which can be a more affordable option. In addition, some companies are exploring the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, for construction purposes, which can be operated remotely and require less maintenance. In conclusion, the invention of specialized construction aircraft has revolutionized the construction industry. Allowing construction companies to access remote or inaccessible construction sites, improve safety, and reduce the environmental impact of construction projects. While there are still challenges to be addressed, the development of new technologies and techniques is helping to make specialized construction aircraft more affordable and accessible to construction companies of all sizes. Another challenge associated with the use of specialized construction aircraft is the potential for conflicts with other aircraft in the same airspace. In some areas, there may be multiple aircraft operating at the same time, including other construction aircraft, commercial airlines, and military aircraft. This can create a crowded and potentially dangerous airspace, which requires careful coordination and communication to ensure safety. To address this challenge, many countries have implemented regulations and procedures for sharing airspace between different types of aircraft. These regulations typically require construction aircraft to obtain clearance from air traffic control before entering designated airspace. In addition, many countries have established dedicated flight corridors for construction aircraft, which helps to minimize the risk of conflicts with other aircraft. Another consideration is the training and expertise required to operate specialized construction aircraft. Pilots of construction aircraft must have a thorough understanding of the technology and equipment used, as well as the regulations governing their use. In addition, they must have extensive experience flying in complex airspace and over difficult terrain. To address this challenge, many countries require specialized training and certification for pilots of construction aircraft. Pilots must complete a rigorous training program that includes both classroom instruction and practical flight experience. In addition, they must undergo regular safety inspections and maintain a high level of proficiency in their field. Despite these challenges, the use of specialized construction aircraft has become increasingly common and has transformed the construction industry. By providing access to remote or inaccessible construction sites, these aircraft have opened up new opportunities for construction companies and have helped to improve safety and reduce the environmental impact of construction projects. With continued innovation and development, specialized construction aircraft are likely to become even more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly in the years to come. Another benefit of specialized construction aircraft is their ability to provide valuable data for surveying and mapping. By flying over construction sites and collecting data on the terrain and other features, these aircraft can help construction companies to plan and design their projects more accurately. In addition, specialized construction aircraft can help to improve the efficiency of construction operations. By providing real-time information about the location of materials and equipment, these aircraft can help construction companies to manage their resources more effectively and avoid unnecessary delays and downtime. Furthermore, specialized construction aircraft can also be used for search and rescue operations in the event of an emergency at a construction site. These aircraft can quickly locate distressed workers and drop supplies or rescue equipment. This can be especially valuable in remote areas where access to emergency services is limited. Despite these benefits, the use of specialized construction aircraft is not without challenges. One challenge is the potential for noise pollution, which can be a nuisance to nearby residents and wildlife. To address this challenge, many countries have established regulations and procedures for minimizing the impact of aircraft noise on the environment and local communities. Another challenge is the potential for accidents or incidents involving construction aircraft. Flying in complex airspace and over difficult terrain can be dangerous, especially in adverse weather conditions. In addition, there have been reports of accidents involving construction aircraft, which have raised concerns about the safety of this technology. To address these concerns, many countries have implemented regulations governing the use of construction aircraft. These regulations typically require aircraft operators to obtain a special license and undergo regular safety inspections. In addition, many countries have implemented strict rules regarding the types of equipment and materials that can be transported by.